how to log in into your GCKey account. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into GCKey account. So watch the video till the very end. First of all, go ahead and open a web browser of your choice. And then on the search bar, go ahead and type in gckey.gc.ca. GCKey is a standard-based authentication service provided by the Government of Canada. It provides secure access to online information and government service and also assists the Canadian federal government departments in managing and controlling access to their online programs. So once you end up on this page, go ahead and select the online services in order to immediately proceed to this section. Go ahead and click on one of these options and then select one of the services from this option you would like to end up in. And now in this page, go ahead and simply tap on GCKey username and password. In order to sign in with GCKey, go ahead and enter the credentials in the text box. For example, enter your username in the username text box and go ahead and enter your password in the password text box. In case you have forgotten your credentials, just go ahead and tap on forgot your username or you forgot your password and then follow through the on-screen prompt till the end. After filling in all your credentials, just go ahead and click on sign in and then you will be able to log into your GCKey account. That's it guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned till our next upload.